So, it's Saturday, you are bored, and you're like, maybe I should ride some coasters today. So, you go to your home Six Flags park, you approach your favorite ride, and then. But good thing you budget for a fast lane. But, how does it work? Well, in this video, let's dig into it. Well, first off, there's different tiers of fast lane. There's fast lane ultimate, there's fast lane reserve, there's fast lane plus, there's normal fast lane. So this season might be a little confusing, but I think it'll be easy to figure out. So for the fast lane ultimate, it's only available at these parks: Carowinds, King's Dominion, Luron, Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, Six Flags Fiesta Texas, Six Flags Great Adventures, Six Flags Great America, Six Flags Magic Mountain, Six Flags New England, Six Flags Over Georgia, Six Flags Over Texas, and Six Flags St. Louis. And the Fastlane Plus wristband is available at Canada's Wonderland, Cedar Point, and Worlds of Fun. But the normal Fastlane is available at California's Great America, Dorney Park, Frontier City, Hurricane Harbor, Arlington, Kings Island, Knott's Berry Farm, Michigan's Adventure, Schlitterbahn New Braunfels, Schlitterbahn Galveston, Six Flags Darien Lake, Six Flags Great Escape, Six Flags Whitewater, and Valley Fair. So, what is the true difference of all of these? And to be quite honest, nothing has really changed much from before. Let's get started with Fastlane Reserve and Fastlane Ultimate. So Fastlane Reserve virtually holds your place in line for a ride, so you can continue to walk around the park while you wait, and you receive a return time on the website, and then you can board on the Fastlane line. And the Fastlane Ultimate basically allows you to immediately get a reservation, so you can join the line whenever you want. And it cuts down the wait time by 90%. So this is what the Fastlane website looks like for Fastlane Ultimate and Reserve. So what you would do is you would click on a ride, and then you should be able to reserve it. But since my home park is not open and I have to be there, I can't really show. But this is where you would add your Fastlane, and then if you want to redeem your daily Fastlane, you would enter your number there, and then same with the all season Fastlane. So yeah. At the parks that use Fastlane and Fastlane Plus, it's actually pretty simple in my opinion, because all you have is just a wristband, and then you walk up to the ride, and some parks might have scanners on their attractions, and some parks might have just a ride attendant do a visual check, and well, after you scan it, you would be approved if your Fastlane's legit, of course. But and if you have just a wristband and no scanner, then they would just visually check, and then you would be able to just get on the ride. For the single-use Fastlane, you would go to these kiosks that use the wristband system, and you can buy a single-use Fastlane, which can vary in price depending on the wait times of the attraction. Now, for the prices for these Fastlanes, well, let's start off with Fastlane Ultimate and Fastlane Reserve at the select parks. So, for example, at Magic Mountain, the Fastlane Reserve usually starts at like 40 to like 50, and the Fastlane Ultimate usually starts at like 90, and it can be higher than that depending on the day. So those are the prices for Fastlane Ultimate and Fastlane Reserve. For the parks that use Fastlane and Fastlane Plus, I'm gonna just do Cedar Point as an example, but normal Fastlane would usually start at $99, and usually, from what I've seen from last year, Fastlane Plus would start at $120. I don't know how much that has changed, but let's check like opening day, for example. Yeah, so normal Fastlane would cost $125, and Fastlane Plus would cost $175. And if you do like in July, a week and Wednesday, July, it can like change. So that's the cost for Fastlane at Cedar Point. So now for the all season Fastlane, how it works is any park you go to, any park your season pass allows you to go to, you should have Fastlane if you have the all season Fastlane. And if your park has Fastlane Plus, you should automatically get Fastlane Plus, and same thing with Fastlane Ultimate. And the price can vary by region, which is interesting because some regions cost like 1,000, and some regions cost like at the minimum like 450. So I find that very interesting, but that's whatever, I guess. Well, that's pretty much it for the how the fasting works in 2026. So now you can